Requiring details on brake and lamp inspection? Brake and lamp inspection. If you are in need of a brake and lamp inspection in Sacramento, California, our local, customer-focused auto repair shop is the place to come. Our expert mechanics have the experience, training and necessary technology to handle all of your car's brake and lamp inspection, adjusting and repair needs to help you get back on the road smoothly and safely. What is the purpose of a brake and light inspection? In California, a brake and lamp inspection is necessary to ensure that a vehicle is safe to drive and operate properly on the road. Brake and lamp inspections are required anytime an automobile is being retitled, which includes after a car accident or vehicle theft. The DMV requires a thorough examination by a state-licensed inspection station to make sure no parts of the vehicle's brake system or lights were damaged or misaligned due to an accident or theft. The overall purpose of these inspections is for the safety of the driver as well as the safety of other drivers on the road. Contact our company today for some details on brake and lamp inspection.